Okay, so I just picked up a project bike, 2002 ZX6E Kawasaki Ninja. Obviously, you can see it's a bit rough. They got ambitious and just hit it with a spray can because they didn't like the green paint, but the fairings are in rough shape. The bike doesn't appear to be too bad for the most part mechanically. But plastics, basically, they're all shot, and what's not shot, they painted over. The gas tank has a hole punched in it. Windshield missing, fairings are cracked and everything. But like I say, mechanically, there really doesn't appear to be, at this point, any damage. The chain looks good. The sprocket looks good. The rear sprocket, the front tire is flat, or mostly flat. It was hard pushing it. The rear exhaust right there on that side is not quite round and has been scraped. But that really appears to be about the extent of the mechanical troubles. They ripped off the tail like they tend to do. And so that's missing, and that needs to be fixed. But I've got spare parts for that from the old bike, and it's missing the grab rail. It's missing the under each storage box. But it did crank, and it tried to respond. So I'm pretty excited. The keys seem to work. They apparently added a four-way flasher by 2002. And apparently added a second helmet lock, as well as second set of bungee hooks underneath. So I'm pretty excited about this. Hopefully the second gear works, assuming it does. We're at 31,000 miles, and it's apparently left out in the sun and then in storage for years. But the rear seat seems pretty low, so well, actually the ride height seems okay, so the rear shock may be okay on it. So I'm pretty excited. It's a project bike. Got it cheap, so the hope is that I can get it back on the road for under $1,000 total. The tires are 4.5-year-old Shinkos. They don't look particularly good. That part looks a little too hard and shiny for my taste. But the age on them is okay. Looks like it had the green wheels, and they painted over the wheels too. So we'll see if we can get that cleaned up. I just hit it with a spray can a couple of days, if not today, ago. So again, a few hours extra work, but we picked up the unit cheap, so hopefully it'll be a good bike at not too much money. Anyway, so this is our next project, and we will run from there. I hope you enjoyed the first video of the project bike. Here are some pictures of the current status. I hope to get more videos up of the process to get from there to here. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.